Hi guys, yesterday's post bag was a new motor for the HBX. I've put the JST connector on it because that's what I need for my setup. That's the original motor. So we'll just do basics. Yes, they look the same length. They look the same. So we'll try the new one. The new one doesn't have anything written on it. This one had those details on it. 2015-08-12. So potentially 10 years old. Anyway, I won't bore you watching me trying to screw it together and get my hands in the way while I'm doing it. I'll get on and do it, and then we'll see if it works. All back together. Power on. Power on. We have power. We have motion. I am very happy. If I can avoid dropping it off the edge of the table. That'll do. So a short video, instead of me sitting there trying to fiddle and get bits back together, it went together with no trouble at all. All the nuts and bolts, well, bolts, were still in the box. I hadn't lost any of them. So everything went back. Job done. Yeah. Very pleased. Let's take all this out the way for the thumbnail. Job done. Just a tiny little extra bit. The motor is absolutely fine. It's the gearbox that's the problem. So I have got a useful motor. I just don't have a good gearbox on it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.